This is going to be a quick video on how to rank your ideas for the Hilti Robotics Challenge. First thing you're going to do is click on the link in the email or copy paste that link into your browser. It's going to take you to a Power Apps page. It may ask you for permissions to edit an Excel sheet, which is the back end of this. Go ahead and hit allow on that. When you get here, you'll see that on the left we have all of the ideas listed out. And this is just a very basic list, but if you hover over the icon and click on that, it will take you to that idea in the innovation station where you can see all the details on it, any attached documents, all the things that person included on the particular idea. You can also use the link down here, the button down below, to jump over to Iris in the innovation station. That's probably the best way to view these ideas. If you come up here to menu and go to challenges, you'll see all the challenges listed. We're going to go ahead and filter that down to the Hilti Robotics Challenge. And now you're able to see all the ideas next to each other. And if we want to go in here and select one, it provides us a very nicely formatted way to review these ideas. So those are the two different ways to review the ideas, get all the information that you want. Once you've decided how you want to rank these, you're going to come over here on the right side of the screen. You'll see best idea, first place. Go ahead and select whichever you feel is the best idea, followed by the second best idea. And these will not allow you to select the same idea twice. So if you've decided that CoffeeBot really belongs down in fifth best, you're going to have to select something else for first. Once you've ranked the ideas as you see fit, first through fifth place, we're just ranking the top 5. Go ahead and click submit my rankings. That will submit your selections, record them in our data set. You can go back and use this link to do this again, but it's just going to edit your previous submission. So keep that in mind. You're welcome to go and make as many changes, edits as you want, but whatever the last entry is the one that will be looked at. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to Dr. Fritz or myself. We'll get you taken care of as quick as we can. This is very important. This is how we're choosing the winners for not only the Hilti Challenge, but also probably for the AI Challenge whenever that wraps up here in the beginning of June. So please, if you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thank you and best of luck.